Hello guys, welcome back to my brother's channel. I am Asba and today I will tell you how to become a host on a Zoom app and how to send the meeting ID and password to the participants you want to participate them. You want to include them. So without wasting our time, let's get started. So first you have to open the Zoom app. You have to open and you have to make sure that your Zoom app has been downloaded. So the Zoom has been uploaded. Open. So if you want to become a host, so you have to go on they are showing 4 icons. Number 1, new meeting. Number 2, join. Number 3, schedule. And number 4, share screen. You just have to click on the schedule button. Then you have been seen that all the details are perfectly correct. You don't have to change anything or anything else. You don't have to change. Now you just have to click on schedule. Now it is scheduling and you can see that it is being scheduled because our time has been 6:38 and this Zoom meeting will start from 7 a.m. till 7:30 a.m. So it will start in 22 minutes. So in this way you can become a host. So now you have to share the meeting ID and password to the participants. If you are on the PC, so you just have to go on the contacts, and this is number 1 contact that I have been saved. This name is Muhammad Fayyaz. If you want other participants to be included, so you have to just add this plus button. It is shown at the contact, create a group, contact group, create a channel or join a channel. And so you just have to click on this button and select add a contact, and then you have to write email address and further details will be asked. So then आपके कॉन्टैक्ट सेव हो जाएगा और फिर आप जो है उस कॉन्टैक्ट पर क्लिक करें जिस तरह से ये हो रहे हैं. देन फिर आप लोगों ने चैट बटन पर दबाना है. देन आपके पास ये पूरी चैट आ जाती है. देन डायरेक्टली गो टू द मीटिंग icon. Then you just have to copy invitation. Click on the copy invitation and then go to the contacts. Click on the chat and click on the message button and then right click on the mouse and then you just have to click on paste. तो आपके पास invitation paste हो जाएगी. Then you will send. Then you will press enter and the invitation will be sent. So this was that's how you can become a host or send a meeting ID and password to the participants. So that's for all my video. Hope you like it because it is very informative video. So bye bye.